So the first thing that we're going to do is combine our dry ingredients. So I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour in here, and to it I'm adding salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and I'm also going to add my sugar. And I am just going to stir this together to combine. And now I'm just gonna set this aside while I work on my wet ingredients. Okay, so in my bowl, I have 2 room temperature eggs, and to that, I am adding 2 cups of buttermilk that's also at room temperature. And I'm just going to whisk the eggs and buttermilk together. And next, I'm going to pour in my melted butter. This is unsalted butter that I melted, and it's cooled off a bit. And I'm just gonna stir it in. I almost forgot to add in my vanilla. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. And I'm just gonna stir these together. And if there are a few lumps in there, that is totally fine. But you're gonna stir it together, and then you're gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I let my pancake batter rest for about 10 minutes. Now it is time to go. Okay, so I've got my griddle on a medium heat. I am using canola oil. I just dropped a little bit of water to see if the griddle was ready, and it is. So now what I'm gonna do is drop about 1/2 cup of pancake batter onto the griddle. Okay, so my pancakes are ready to flip. You see those bubbles on the outside edge there. So you're just gonna flip them over. And I'm just gonna continue with the rest of the batter.